I got my coffee. I got my bag. Right now we're on our way up to Sean's house to go work on my brother's Foxbody, which is technically now mine. Technically, I don't know. We're gonna go work on it and try to get it started and move to my friend Kenny's shop because we're gonna start working on it here in a little bit. Pretty excited for what I've got planned for it. I'm thinking future drift build. I don't know. Maybe though. Stay tuned. I'll see y'all at Sean's. Subi Squad. Hi, Sean. All right, we're at Sean's now. We're gonna go look at the Foxbody and see what all we can do to get it to start. We brought a battery to obviously make it run because it needs a battery. I'm not sure what all we're gonna do to it today. Sean might come out here in a little bit, but first off, let's see if we can get started. So if it does happen to start, it's gonna be really loud. I don't know if it's going to start, but I don't know if anybody's asleep. It's like 10 a.m. I feel bad for them, and I really feel bad for them because they also might be asleep. So, sorry guys, I apologize. Okay, so round one didn't work. But I figured that would happen, so I don't know. Do you have any more extensions? Nigga, no. Oh my gosh. So I was pushing the clutch in and I forgot that the clutch is being pulled through the firewall. And now my foot's stuck in between the clutch pedal and the brake pedal. I didn't even push the clutch in. It's still not it. I mean, I don't think it needs to be in technically, because apparently you're able to start it without it. So
no, I can turn it over to the solenoid because it's not okay. Just do your thing, man.
Okay, fine. I heard it start up a little bit. Oh my god, it's so loud already. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm talking to the camera. And it died. But hey, it started. What happened to you?
It blew bugs and shit in my face. My face was like right here.
Where's the hammer?
No.
Alright, it's fixed now. Should be good. We got in a little bit of trouble by Sean. Alright. Goes. What are we doing?
You gotta go start the car.
Oh, that's fine. I'm okay with that. Here, you'll talk to the camera.
I'm gonna step back just in case things go bluey.
Okay, Kenny, explain what you're doing, because I'm gonna go start the car.
Just point it at the car.
No, you talk to the camera.
They'll see what I'm doing. Oh.
Talk to the camera.
What the fuck?
I'm sorry, Kenny, I didn't mean to talk.
Point it at the car.
I love you.
Point it at the car.
Okay, I'm going. Shit.
We're just gonna play with the timing, spin the distributor around. Full 180 degrees. Gonna start it? Yes.
I'm so terrified.
Don't pay attention to that.
Don't look at that puff of smoke.
Go!
Send it. Too much. Hey, you fixed it.
No, I didn't. I need it up.
Oh my god.
Okay, we're good now. We're good. Hello.
Go!
Okay, I'm going. So, we think it's probably bad gas. It's been sitting for like 2 years with old fuel. So, hopefully that's what it is. I'm over here now. But yeah, we're thinking it's bad gas. We probably need to put new fuel in there since it's old. But they got it started like that and running really, really loud and ruining the camera. So I don't know. We're still trying to figure out. Hopefully, hopefully we can keep it running and idling on its own power instead of us playing with it.
We need 5 gallons of CFO.
Okay, what all are we getting?
We need a fuel filter. We need a whole lot of fuel treatment, like 5 different kinds, and probably get like a couple more cans of carb cleaner.
By the way, this is like my Mustang friend. He knows more about Mustangs than I do. My brother.
Huh?
Are you good back there?
I'm alright.
My brother knows a lot about Mustangs. I don't know very much.
I don't know a lot about Mustangs.
He went to Shelby College. Shut up.
Don't mention that, please.
Oh, right. That's right. He blew up a Mustang, so that's why he knows a lot.
Let's not.
Yeah, he knows more about Mustangs than I do, so we're having him help work on it. I know the basics and whatnot for the Mustang, but he's actually worked on them more than I have. I used to have a Mustang way back in the day, and I knew how to work on it, but it's been several years, and now that I have a Subaru, I know more about that. But hopefully we can get it like to stay running under its own power, like I said earlier. It did pretty well in that last little clip, but that was also with them spraying a lot of carb cleaner in it, so yeah, I don't know. We'll see though. Alright, we're gonna go to O'Reilly's and then we'll see you there. I lied, we went to Napa. I guess that's the same as O'Reilly's, right? Will this fix my Honda?
You have a Honda?
No.
What the fuck?
We're back at Sean's house. We're gonna move the Eclipse behind me. It's in the way. We want to work in shade, and there's kind of some shade here, but there's also a lot of leaves. So we're gonna push the Eclipse over there, and then push the Foxbody back, move the truck out of the way. I think he's just gonna do it by himself because I'm lazy. But yeah, that's the plan. We're gonna go ahead and move that. I guess I'll help him. I guess. Do you need help, Kenny?
No.
You're ruining my bumper. Where's my headlight?
I ate it.
Oh, okay. Hopefully fuel will help it.
Fuel's normally a big part in starting an engine.
Oh, is it? I thought this was a hybrid.
I think so. I don't know. It's got an electric.
Is it electric car or is it hybrid?
Hybrids still need fuel.
But is it electric? Isn't it electric hybrid?
Holy fuck,
That's awesome.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so car runs. I'm gonna go ahead and try to drive it forwards. If it drives forwards at all, then we're gonna go ahead and test drive it on the highway. I really don't want to, but I think that's the best test that we can do. I need to go get it some more gas. We're gonna take it to Kenny's shop. Potatoes?
Temporary plate.
Potatoes. Where did you get potatoes from? Anyway.
My ex-girlfriend's little brother stole it from Walmart.
Okay.
It's like perfect for a license plate.
Okay, I kind of want that license plate now. But yeah, we're gonna take it on the highway and go get gas, take it to his shop, maybe work on it a little bit there. But at least we know it starts and it runs, and it was just a gas problem, so that's good. It's not gonna be as much of a project as I thought. It still is gonna be a project. He was doing something funny a second ago. He's scared of the camera.
I am.
All right, let's go ahead and go fill it up with gas and go from there, I guess.
All right, off to my house.
Oh my God, I love this thing. I got it on second and it just burnt the rear tires. Oh my God, it was great.
Tires are trash.
I know, but still.
Hard as fuck.
I forgot how fun this thing was. Oh my God, I can't wait.
You don't need your rear view, right?
No, I'll be fine. Oh, it's so terrifying to drive because I feel like it's gonna break. And it might, but that's okay, I think. All right, I'll update you if anything happens. If not, we're just gonna go to Kenny's shop and hope that we don't get pulled over because this is illegal. But I don't know. I'll just cut over there unless
I kind of want to drive it now.
I know, like, I got a pretty long driveway. We can fucking talk the owners of the house to let us rip down it.
Okay, you ready?
I really want to rip it down the driveway.
All right, let's go.
Like, 2 black marks all the way down.
Well, I made it to a shop all right. Not the best, but all right.
You gotta pull the tractor out.
Yeah, I gotta pull that out and then I'll put the Foxbody in. All right, so this is Kenny's Foxbody, sort of Foxbody. You're gonna have to tube your front end.
Huh?
You're gonna have to tube your front end.
I know, don't put that on YouTube, please.
Kenny and I just got back to the apartment. I'm gonna go ahead and put that battery, back in the truck. It's really hot and kind of windy, so sorry if you can't hear me. But after we do that, we're gonna go meet up with my friend Bree, and I think we're gonna go skating for a bit. I'm not too sure what all we're doing, but I think that's part of the plan. It's just so hot, and I'm tired. I wanna go to sleep, but I also wanna go skate, so I'm just gonna go do that, and I'll complain about it later. Okay, we're good. Hello.
Hi. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Let's go.
broke her bike. By that I mean I broke her seat because she was in the way. I almost hit her, so I had to bail. I just blame it on me.
I wasn't in the way. You were trying to fucking jump my bike.
Whatever. And that's what happened. And I don't have a 15 mil to fix it, so we switched seats so he can ride it. And so she can have that seat. Now Kenny, you can pull me now.
Oh god.
Now let's go back to what we were doing and having fun before everything was broken.
Keegan, you're a bitch.
We got bored of riding, so we're gonna go to the Plex and ride go-karts, I think. Kenny,
What? Hi.
I bet I'm gonna win. Just saying.
Pause it. Stop it. Stop recording.
So yes, we're playing on go-karts now. It's a small track.
And they're super slow.
It's a very small track and they're pretty slow. But I think we're gonna have some fun with it. I don't know how they feel with my filming, but hopefully they're okay with it. I don't think they care because it's dead.
Look at my knee.
What'd you do?
It's from his bed.
She got a boo-boo. Actually, it is your fault.
It's your fault.
I'm sorry.
My cart sucked. I knew it getting in it, I guess, but it was spitting oil everywhere. I don't have an excuse.
Like, I was riding behind you and I was watching oil drip.
Did you hear it backfire a lot?
I heard it, yeah.
I was wondering if y'all had it too, and I was like, nope, it's just me.
No, mine was falling apart.
I hate this.
I saw at least 3 bolts fall.
I kept him
chattering around.
I kept Kenny behind me the whole time for the most part, which is good. And then
I won.
Yeah, of course you won. You're little and you were in the small cart, so.
I still won.
But I guess I did okay for the cart that I was given. It's whatever.
Oh my
We'll do a rematch sometime whenever they have the better carts out, and then we'll do it again. I hate you, Kenny.
Going up on the bridge.
This isn't over. This is far from over.
We need to get real carts though. Punch it.
I do want to punch it.
I don't want to punch it.
I want to punch it. But this isn't over. We're gonna do this again. But now we're gonna take our frustration out on this punching game.
My highest was like a 989.
There. Is this gonna be like a competition back and forth?
Yeah, I'm really competitive.
Okay. Well, cool. We found a new thing to compete against, so we're gonna do this a couple more tries and see who wins. Is it good?
I fixed it, yeah. Headbutt it. Oh my God, Keegan, you're gonna fall. I probably wouldn't even get to this little guy. Like,
Nah, yeah.
I'd be down here somewhere.
That's a high score. 920.
Yeah.
All right, we got this.
Okay, headbutt it. Come on, headbutt it. Someone headbutt it.
Run into it. It looks like you hit here.
Yeah.
My wrist buckle. Yeah.
Jesus.
My wrist buckle is brutal.
Okay. Help. Your head went.
See my ass.
Yep, should be right.
Is that higher than before?
It's
No.
literally the same exact score. I'll do one more.
That was low.
Why do you kick your foot up when you hit?
I don't know.
Ballerina.
No, that's less.
It's the same thing over and over. I think that's it. I don't know if I can go any higher.
Oh my God. That was so weird.
What?
Alright, let's go.
Your head is still higher and he kicked it. Yes.
Barely kicked it.
All right, time to go.
Yeah.
Come on, time to go. Thanks, man.
What? What are we doing now? All right, now we're going to the little prairie dog park, if there's still prairie dogs. I don't know if there are.
I was there. Well, maybe not this late. It might be. Stop, can you? Like, I don't. All this is too much, okay?
My bad, I just can't, all you see is my chin. Yeah, that's it. Well, this is how we're gonna finish the video from now on. Ow! Okay, we're going to the prairie dog park. I think they're still there. She said they are.
They should be.
And we're gonna die because he can't drive. Oh God. Oh God, and there's a car coming. You asshole. I hate you, Kitty.
Hey, thanks. I looked over and I was like, oh no.
You should see how close it is on camera.
Is it close to here?
I hope so. I don't know until I watch it.
I hope so.
Delete, flip.
Thumbnail, I almost died. You almost died. Kenny almost kills us. So this is pretty much what we do during the week whenever I'm not working.
I have to work in the morning.
I have to drive an hour away to go to work tomorrow. We're both screwed.
Look at my hair. Please don't put that on your wall.
Your picture.
That was so funny.
We're gonna learn how to drift here.
Oh God. I'm trying to have a conversation here.
Sorry, there was a cat.
I can't wait to see my face in
A cat.
Oh God. A
Please.
cat.
You're an idiot. There's people watching you the whole time.
It's okay.
You're terrible. Anyway.
I can't wait to see my face in that.
Oh my God, you're gonna kill us, Kenny. Anyway, so yeah, the plans are he's got a Foxbody and I'm gonna help him put it together, and we've got my Foxbody and we're gonna do little drift tandems together. That way we can go to like Texas Lone Star and stuff like that. Eventually, it'll take some time, but I'm pretty excited to do that.
Dog, where?
Down over there.
Are you excited, Kenny?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
What? I can see your face. But we're pretty excited. As you saw, we got it running and driving, so that's a good first step.
We got his running.
Well, yeah, mine.
Take a little while.
Yeah, he needs to actually build his a lot. Okay, we're gonna figure out what to do here, and then we'll come back and talk again, but that's it
The
for now.
mosquitoes are
Cool.
I am finally home. Oh my God, it is 12:30, I think. Let me check. No, it's 12:43. I thought I still had some time left. I've got to get to bed, and I'm really tired. Today's been very, very fun though. I've enjoyed it a lot. I got to fix the Mustang and hang out with all my friends, so it's been pretty awesome. I just want to give a huge shout out to all my friends that were in this video today. So that's Sean, Bree, and Kenny. Y'all are awesome. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and helping me with the car and all that. I know y'all hang out with me on like a daily basis, but still, y'all are awesome. I appreciate y'all. So I don't know if you could tell from the video, but I was using the new Subaru Ambassador backpack that I got. Man, that thing is awesome. It's been killing it with everything that I've been carrying around today, with all the writing and whatnot. It's held all the camera accessories, and it's proven to be pretty good. I really, really like it a lot. I didn't know if I like, because it's pretty small, and I didn't know how the straps really work, because they have like button clips. It's really cool. It turns out the backpack is like perfect for what I need it for, so I definitely am happy with what I got. If you want to win something like that, or if you want a Subaru backpack or Subaru gear or something like that, be sure to watch my last video that I did. I'll go ahead and leave it down in the description. But basically, I'm doing a giveaway, in case some of you didn't know. I'm giving away $100 worth of free Subaru gear. Winner gets to pick whatever they want from the Subaru website that I have access to. If you haven't watched the last video, I definitely recommend it. It'll tell you how to enter the contest and how to be a part of it and all that stuff, blah, blah, blah. I've got to get some sleep. I'm really, really tired. I have to go and open up another store tomorrow, so that's not fun for me. Usually I'd be like hyped for it, but it's been a long day. I've done a lot today. I don't know what all I'm going to include, and I probably say like all videos, but this one I did so much I don't know. I don't want to make it like 20-30 minutes long, so we'll see how it turns out. But again, thank y'all so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Leave it a thumbs up if y'all liked it. Also, go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. That helps me out, and like you'll find out from the last video, that actually will help you with the giveaway process too. Anyway guys, I'll see y'all in the next one. Y'all have a good night and stay awesome. Here's little Mia going to bed with me. Just being a butt lately and chewing all my cords and other stuff too, but we'll get into that later. Alright, good night guys. Later.